Everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have new lesson, and the name of lesson is illness. So in part A you will see some question and your facilitator will ask, and I already told about these words: rarely, sometime, mostly, always. Always means 100%, mostly means more than 15%, and less than 100%. Sometimes means 50-50. Rarely means hardly. First one is wash your hands before eating. I do always. Wash your hands after eating. I do always. You brush your teeth in the morning. Always. Brush your teeth at night before going to bed. Sometimes. Pick your teeth, nose, ears in public. Rarely. So you have to tell by your own. So your facilitator will ask about this. What's the matter? Basically we have some words and we have to match these words with the picture. First one is headache. Definitely this one. It is clearly visible. Cough. This one. Stomach ache. This one. This. And ear ache. This one. Back ache. This one. First one. And fever. Definitely this one. She is using thermometer. Cold. This old man. I hope it is clear. Now complete the sentence. You know what, English is very beautiful language, and we have so many phrases, we have so many sentences to ask one thing. So same like that: what's wrong, are you okay, how are you, what's the matter, what's wrong. If someone feel not good, so we have so many phrases, or we have so many sentences, and by these sentences we can ask about to someone, about to someone's health. So and same like we have so many types of sentences in replying. So like, my head hurts, I have a headache, or I have a headache. So we have to make these kind of sentences. If someone asks you, are you okay, so you can say, no, my stomach hurts, or you can say, or I have a stomach ache, I'm not well. Or sorry, third one you can use the same: I'm not well, my stomach hurts, or I have a stomach ache. Same, if someone asks me what's the matter, I have a, oh sorry, my stomach hurts, or you can say my ear hurt, I have an earache, as we have seen. Now my back hurts, or I have an backache. Now part C. When it comes to part C, there are some words: nauseous, dizzy, tired, sick, ill. Nauseous means I will give you example. I will give you an example. When I go for travel and when I sit in bus, so I feel nausea, means I feel vomitic, but I never do vomitic, but I don't know why I feel vomitic. So for that condition, we can use this word nauseous. Dizzy means, okay, let me give you an example. Dizzy means there are so many people who are suffering from the low BP and high BP. So I know about the low BP because I have. So when I have low BP, so on that time I feel dizzy and I'm not able to stand, and I'm not able to hold myself. So for that condition, we can use this word tired. Definitely it is very simple. When you go outside and when you are feel to sleep, when you feel to some body ache, so for that we can use the word of tired. Now sick and ill, it is very important because people think that both are same, but it is not that. Sick use for when you are sick from mentally, means if someone depressed, so for that we can use the word of sick. For example, there was my one friend who was depressed, so for him we can use he was sick because he has some reason, means mentally sickness, it is related to mentally. And when it comes to ill, it is totally related to physically, like fever, cold, these are illness. I hope it is clear. So in simple way, it is related to sick word use, related to mentally health, and ill related to physical health. And do you know the difference between disease and illness? Okay, I will tell you. Disease, for a particular disease, like there are so many people who are facing some problems like cancer. We have the name of these disease: cancer, tuberculosis. So we have a specific disease, specific name of these disease, and it takes time to recover. For example, when it comes to tuberculosis, so for tuberculosis it takes time around 12 months, sometimes 2 years also. So we have some specific period, and on that particular period we recover. And illness is a specific illness is a specific, it is not specific, it is like fever, we get fever and after 2-3 days we recover. So for that we can use illness. Now illness and injury, so same that illness is we can recover by illness in 3 to 5 days, but when it comes to injury, so sometimes it takes more time in comparison to illness. Suppose I get fracture, so definitely I have to spend 1 month at my home. I hope I don't do this. It doesn't happen with me. Now match the following. So fracture. Second one, it is very easy. Burns, when someone burned by fire. So for that we can use this word. Fourth one, fainting. Fainting means a person. We can say behosh hona. So fainting we can use this word. Nosebleed. First one is very simple. Dehydration. This one, dehydration. As we summer is going on, definitely so many people facing this problem. So please drink more water to protect yourself and always be hydrated. Okay, so thank you so much for listening me. If you are like my channel and if you are like my video, please like and subscribe.